Dassault Systèmes provides industry-leading solutions for production planning and scheduling that help you deliver more orders on time, replan more quickly, and reduce production time. This gives you the ability to respond to today's consumers' demand for more complex products and thrive in a more complicated manufacturing space. But to beat the competition, you need to optimize your production flows, manage complexity, and deliver the products your consumers want. Achieving this is possible with the right planning solution. To optimize component production control, you must move from unit to industrialized production, where demand-driven planning and scheduling creates more agility in manufacturing. The 3D Experience platform is the business platform for agile manufacturing. With its planning and collaboration capabilities, you can build an integrated manufacturing model that enables finite capacity scheduling. You will be able to increase on-time deliveries up to 100%, replan up to 70% more quickly, and reduce production time up to 25%. It's time to optimize production for manufacturing agility and deliver the products your consumers want. Contact us now or download the case study that looks into how a watch company optimized component production control with our solutions, the 3D Experience platform.